Welcome. Today we'll discuss how to troubleshoot lines that appear on your iPhone screen. There are several reasons why lines may appear on your iPhone screen, ranging from software glitches to physical damage. First, let's try restarting your iPhone. Simply hold down the power button until you see the slider, then slide to power off. Next, ensure your iPhone is up to date. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. Make sure to check for any physical damage. Look closely at the screen for cracks or scratches. If lines persist, consider resetting all settings. Go to Settings, then General, and select Reset. If all else fails, visiting an Apple store or an authorized technician can be your next best step for a thorough investigation. To prevent future issues, invest in a good case and a screen protector to keep your device safe. To sum up, try restarting, updating, checking for damage, using diagnostics, or visiting a technician. Thank you for watching.